What? 300 trillion naira? God, Nigerians, we have a lot of money. If I have this type of money, I will make sure half of Nigerians youth will have something to do and survive. This is my ambition.
Omo guy, how far now? See, guy, everywhere, everything don't choke. Everywhere, nothing they move, no movement, guy. See, guy, I don't broke. I dey tell you this thing. I don't broke, guy. What are we going to do?
I have no idea, brother.
I have idea, guy.
Really?
Tell your papa say in school they said we must pay attention.
Really?
Of course, yes. Now we must pay attention.
Okay.
How did you see it now?
Yes.
That's a good idea now. You know me now. Me, I get idea now.
Who is it trying to disturb me? My son. Hello, my son.
Good afternoon, Dad.
Afternoon, my son. How are you?
There is a problem, Dad.
Problem? What kind of problem is this?
At school, they said we must pay attention.
Attention? How much?
20K, Dad.
20,000? Why 20,000? Attention should be cheaper than any other subject. Tell your teachers to reduce the amount so that I can give you the money and buy the attention.